Here we are at our first stop on the Frida Kahlo walking tour, which starts here at City College. That used to be the home of the Pan American mural done by Diego Rivera here at City College. We're going to start here, even though the mural's not here, because I want to tell you a little bit about why San Francisco and why Frida became such great lovers. So we're going to start right here at this beautiful head that takes us all the way back to the beginnings of California. Can't wait to tell you all about why Frida and why San Francisco had the biggest love affair in the world. Here we are at our second location, which is San Francisco General Zuckerberg Hospital, where we have the two paintings from Frida right here that were donated to San Francisco General with the stipulation that they always hung in the lobby. And ever since they remodeled this whole place, they put these back in the lobby, as was said. And he was her doctor here at San Francisco General. And that's the reason, another reason why she was in love with San Francisco. It meant healing and reparation for her. Here we are at our next stop, which is the SF MoMA down here in San Francisco. Not only is she currently residing in the Pan American Unity mural that was moved from City College over here to the SF MoMA, but she has her very famous first painting ever she exhibited at San Francisco, which is the wedding painting that lives here in SF MoMA. We're halfway through this tour and we're gonna hit up some tacos, margaritas, and deliciousness right here at Tropisueño. Hola amigos, aquí estamos en nuestra siguiente parada de fiestas Fridas y aquí estamos en Tropisueño. Aquí es donde vamos a almorzar, aquí las mujeres que les van a dar su rica comida mientras seguimos la caminadita de Frida. Y no se les olvide si quieren una rica margarita o algo refrescante mientras estamos en nuestro tour. Right, y'all, we're at our next stop, which is the most special stop because this is where we're going to get a copy of the second wedding anniversary of Diego and Frida, which took place in 1940 right here in San Francisco City Hall. Well, let's come on over and meet Jose Rosales, and he's the one who's going to hand us over our copy of the official piece of history right here of Diego and Frida Kahlo. Thank you, Jose. How funny his last name is Rosales, and here I am wearing rosas on my head. See you at the next stop. Hey, I'm here at our next location, which is the Hamilton Condominium, or at the time was called the Hamilton Hotel, which was the first desegregated hotel in San Francisco, where Frida actually came after she remarried Diego down at City Hall that way. And if you'd like to know, people like Dizzy Gillespie and other people of color used to stay at this place. Another piece of wonderful San Francisco Frida history. OMG, I got so lucky that our friend right here, the person guarding the door, happens to be a goddess. Let me in to show us a picture of one of the famous guests here of the Hamilton Hotel, which is Frida Kahlo, Louis Armstrong, Sal Mineo, Vivian Vance. I mean, it just goes on forever. This is a piece of amazing history. Yeah, so our next stop is actually a Chinese restaurant right here at the beginning of Chinatown called Cathay House. Why would I bring you here? You'll find out when you come on the tour. Hey, we're at our last stop on the Frida Kahlo tour, which is right here at 716 Montgomery Street, which is now an architectural studio. But that is where Diego and Frida first came to stay when they came to San Francisco in 1930. How interesting that this building did not get destroyed, considering that the Transamerica building is less than a half a block away. Can't wait to take you on the Frida Kahlo tour and tell you more.